Hello everyone, welcome to Learning from Home channel. Now in this video we are going to talk about copying and filling tricks in Microsoft Excel. Under copying and filling tricks, we talk about how to copy, how to paste options, how to copy cells or cell to one or many cells, and how to copy to different worksheets, and now using fill for quick copying. So the first one is how to copy. Now let's say we have this table. Okay, so let's say we have this table. Now this table here, we have name, right? That is the text. Now we have price here, and this price is in Ghana cedis. And this, we have this USD, that's the US dollar price. It's in dollars also over here. Now we want to copy this table. So in case you want to copy, what do? You have to first select the whole table. Now when done, go to the Home tab. Now click on Copy. Now when you are done, the first thing is how to copy. That's the way to copy. Now how to paste. So we're going to paste it here. So that is the paste. So let's paste it here. Now click on Paste and paste it there. So that is a way to copy and paste. Now let's go to the next one. So paste. Paste only, we are going to paste only the content. We're going to paste only the content. We don't want the table. We're going to paste only the name, the price, and the US dollar price. Okay, so let's select it again. So select it again. Now go to copy. Now paste content. So go to click on this paste, and now go to paste options. You can see when the paste, you have drop down button beside. Click on that. Now we are going to paste only the values. We're going to paste only the value. That's the name, price, USD, Mary, this and that. We don't want the formatting. So click on paste values and let's see. So when you click on the paste values, you can see that now we have only the values here, and we are not having this. We are not having the formatting. We have only the values here, and you're not having the formatting here as well. Okay, so here was, that is a dollar sign. So here is in dollar. It's in dollar sign. Okay, so and here still in cedis. You can still format it to the cedis, currency. Okay, to cedis. Okay, so and let's expand this more to have our cedis. Okay. Alright, so we have the table here. Okay, so as you see, we have the table here. Now we want to copy this table, and we don't want the values here. We rather want the formatting. Okay, we rather want the table formatting. So click on Copy. Now this place. Now click on this paste options. Then click on Formatting. You want only the formatting, so click on the formatting. So you can see that we have the table, but we are not having any values in. So in case you want to duplicate this table format and now fix in different values, you can just do that. You don't need to just create table and design it again. Now you just copy this and I go to paste options and you go to formatting and you are done with it. So that's the paste and the paste options. Now let's go to copy cells to or one or many cells. Now when it comes to this side, let's say we have this number, you have number 1 and number 2. You want to copy this number 1 and paste it in number 2. But while pasting 1, it must add to this number 2. 2, this time it must subtract. Here it must multiply to this number 2. And here it must be divided by what? This number 2. So how can we do that? Now in order to do that, we are going to add. So highlight this. Now go to Home, click on Copy. Now click on one of the cells, the top cell. and now go to paste options. Now go to paste special. So click on paste special, and now another operation we want to add, right? So add, click on add, and now click on OK. So you can see that now it has added what here to here. So here was 10, here was what? 50. So 50 plus 10 makes 60. Now 60 plus this making 70. Okay. If we don't want that, let's see. Let's go back and let's copy this. Let's copy this, and now let's bring this here. Okay. So let's copy this. Now let's go to, now let's click on paste. Okay. So yeah, so we have this data here. So if let's paste it here. Alright, so we have this data. Now we are going to, so this is the data, okay. Now you are going to copy this, go to copy. Now here, so first you're going to add. Now let's go to paste. Now paste special, and you're going to add this. Go to OK. Now add. So now you have 60 here. Okay. Now with the same one, let's copy this. Now let's paste it another subtraction. Let's paste it here. Now let's select this. Now let's go to copy, and under paste option, paste special. Now subtract. So OK. So you can see, oh, we didn't do it well. So OK. So now let's go for copy. Now click here and go to paste. Now subtract. So paste special, and I want to subtract. Okay. So now you can see we're going to subtract this from, so we're subtracting this from that. So you can see we may have negative, 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 negative. I hope you are seeing it. Okay, so when you subtract this from that, you get negative 20. This from the negative 40 in that order. Okay, so now in that, so let's move on. Now this is to multiply. So we are going to multiply this by this. So let's copy this. Copy. Now you paste it here. And let's highlight this. Okay. And copy. Now, so we are going to multiply. So go to the same paste option. Now special paste or paste special, then multiply. Okay. Now you can see the multiplication is done. Now the last one is, let's go for the same copy. Now we paste it here and we highlight this. Now we're going to divide, right? So go for copy. Now select this and go to the drop down, paste special. Now divide and click on OK. So you can see it's been divided, right? Okay, so that is the way to actually copy and fill tricks. So you can just copy data and you can just fill by applying these operations. Okay, and by then you finish, the process is done. And if either addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division, it is done already. Now you can copy this and that, copy this table with either formatting or without formatting, or even the same with formatted and values as well. Now the last one that we're going to talk about is the transpose. So see this table, watch this table. This table now, the heading is in a horizontal form. What if in case we want the heading to be in a vertical form, so we can use it in other purpose? How can we do it? Now let's use this table as an example. So let's go to, now copy the whole table. So you have number 1, number 2. So instead of number 1 being on the horizontal form, it's now going to be on the vertical. And this data will be on the horizontal. So they're going to now exchange the place where they are. So this being vertical is going to be horizontal, and this being horizontal is going to be what? Vertical. So let's copy, go to copy. Now come to this. Now go to paste. Now paste option. Okay. Now you want the values. So click on the values and now click on what? Transpose. Okay. Now click on OK. So you can see that now with this, we have number 1, number 2. Okay, at first this it is here, but this time it is here. It is here now. So we have these values in the horizontal form. We can do the same thing to this as well. So let's go for copy. Then for this, click. Let's go for paste and special or paste special. Now go for this transpose and click on OK. So you can see that instead of being on the horizontal, now it is now on the vertical, and this being on the vertical is now horizontal. So you can still paste this if you want to. You can still paste this. So you copy, same thing, paste, then paste option. Okay, so formula format. Okay, and okay, so you can still select any and still. So this, when you paste, is you are pasting only the format. So if you want the format to be in this form, you see now it is with no values, and you can decide to paste only the values too as well. So what you see here now, this side is going to happen the same. So when you choose to use, this is the or. Okay, this is the or. Now when you choose to use these values, it's going to apply only the values. There is only the format. So let's say you have a name here as John, and you want to copy this. You can just highlight it or click the cell. Now as soon as the sign turns to an additional sign, just hold and drag across or downwards. It's going to copy. Okay, so now let's do it again and see. Okay, so now copy. Now you can still hold it and move it to this side and going to copy. So that's also the quick way to. If you want to get the names of the month or the names of the week, you don't need to just type everything. Just type in the MON, or you type in Jan. That's a January. Then now you just drag. As soon as you drag, gives you the rest. Okay, so that's a way to also fill using the quick fill for copying. Alright, so thank you guys for watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.